Hi, I'm Mona and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am doing a collab with my good friends J Doll UK, Beth Ramsden, and Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley. And I have to tell you, we have been giddy over this collaboration. We have been talking about it since spring. We've been like schoolgirls giggling and sending emails and sending links. And what we wanted to do, we heard the new Wednesday Addams was coming to TV. Well, right away in the spring, we all got dolls and we all got them dressed. And then Beth sent us the trailer. This was like, I don't know, as soon as the trailer came out, we found it. And she's like, oh no, she has fringe. So the doll that I had done a face-up on, the idea was to do a face-up and a dress. And this is the doll I started with, and I really like her. I like her a lot. I didn't finish her bead. All I gotta do is add beads. But I did her eyes, and I put in, harder to do when you don't have the, I wanted to show you her eye chips. Okay, I did this. Wednesday Addams has brown eyes. I love those. And I think I did green. Yeah, I did green just because, well, I liked them. And the dresses I had in mind were black with the white trim. And then I thought about the movie, and I thought, oh, I could do something like that. And I thought, oh, I'll do something like this. Well, I'll show you these later. But so that was a scratch. We started over. We ordered new dolls. And I got this girl. And I am so glad I did, because I like this one, the face-up, better than the other one. Brown eyes, of course. And I think I did, there are her eyelids. Yeah, I did some scary eyes. And I think I did the green. I'm not sure. I might have just gone with those two. When I do eye chips, yeah, I just did the two. When I do eye chips, I don't do 4 usually, because most people keep them on, you know, for display. I know I do. I keep it on 1 set. So there's Wednesday and her new dress. This is the smallest white flower print I could find. And if you've seen the trailers, you know that she has big cuffs on her new dress. She wears heels with buckles. I love these cameos. I just love these cameos. And I made it more form-fitting for a young lady, and I have the sexy lines because I made her little fishnet stockings. Painted her fingernails black, and I also painted her extra nails black so that when I change her hands, she has them. I'm real proud of my little Wednesday Addams, and I couldn't wait to show her to you. I gotta tell you, I'm really looking forward to seeing Tammy, Beth's, and Jay's Wednesday Addams, because a lot of times we get ideas, and sometimes they're very, very similar, but sometimes they're very different. I don't know if you noticed, but I've got things sitting here. Darren made the little box 3D, and I have Cousin It. Let's see if we can. This was 3D printed, something Darren found. Uh-oh, I better have him pull this out, though. I'm going to crush it. This is 3D printed, and what we're going to do is cut this away, and then I'm going to take there's Cousin It's stand, and I'm going to take the hair dryer and, well, hopefully make layers of hair for Cousin It. Okay, he went and got the X-Acto knife, and he's cutting that out. Should I have given him something between the counter? Probably not. He's neater than me. I'd have gouges in it. Let me move this way a little bit. There you go. Looks like a fan from here, doesn't it? Like a car part. Darren is far more patient than I am. Now he's got a little bitty screw screwdriver loosening up each of the hairs in there. It's going to take us a minute. It looks like a curler. I love this. It's brush-like, and what we're going to do is, when I did the troll hair, I did troll hair much like this, and it went upward. This is going to go downward, and when it goes, it goes. Let's see what happens. I'm going to put this on high, and I might have to get the heat going. We'll see. Oh, here it goes. Here it goes. Ah, dropped it. Oh, it's coming up the other way. Oh, that's cute. Oh, I did it wrong. Oh, there it is.
Burning your fingers?
No, I can't get it to go down. Well, perhaps Darren should print another one and I should try it again. I really love Wednesday Addams. I plan a few things for her on my channel. I have several Blythe dolls. I've done them in mini, the petite, midi, and mostly neo. I don't know, I've done 5 or 6 in the neo size. When I was a little girl, Wednesday Addams on the TV show was my age. She was born in 58, I was born in 57. These days I look more like grandmama. But I'm excited for the new series, and also I want to give you a heads up. We have another collab coming, the 4 of us, J Dolls UK, Beth Ramsden, and Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley, coming up in November, and you won't want to miss it. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Ladies, oh, thank you so much. This has really been a fun one. Maybe I can do Cousin Int a little better on the next shot. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment. Let me know if you like Wednesday. I have a Wednesday or Addams Family trivia video coming. And subscribe.